Assalamualaikum. Today my group will present about OS installations, and this assignment will be prepared for Madam Soffiya, my group member. Okay, next I will proceed with part 1, which is preparation OS installation disk. My name is Bazlaa Amani Bt Mahathir. Okay, first you need to open the Google and you have to search download Windows Server 2016. Okay, next you click the Windows Server 2016 Microsoft Evaluation Center. Next you go to English United States and iOS download and you click 64-bit edition and you wait the Windows Server download complete.
Thank you, Bazlaa Amani, for outlining the preparation for the installation disk. I will now proceed to detail the process of installing the virtual machine. Before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mohamad Iskandar bin Yakin, and my matrix number is 20244366066. To begin, open Google Chrome and search for VMware Workstation 17. Once the search result appear, click on the link to the dashboard with Accept. Here you will find various versions of VMware, but for this tutorial, we will select Workstation Windows 17.6.2. After clicking on it, you can click here to start download it. Click Yes, and now we wait for the download to complete. It will take a little bit of time. Oh, once it's finished, click Show in Folder and open the downloaded file. Wait for the installation to start. When prompted, click Next, then make sure to select the I accept button before clicking Next again. Continue clicking Next until you reach a screen where you can select shortcut. It's recommended to check both the desktop and start menu option for easier access to VMware Workstation Pro. After that, click Next once more and then proceed to install. And now, we wait for the installation to finish. Once complete, click Finish. Click back, back again. You can now easily access VMware Workstation Pro by clicking on its icon. Here, your VMware Workstation is ready. Alright, that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nasueha Bt Suhardi, student ID number 2024297442, and I will be explaining about the installation of operating system. First of all, you need to click Create a new virtual machine. After that, make sure to choose the last option and just click the Next button. Make sure that the version is Windows Server 2016 and keep clicking Next. Now, click Browse and click Make New Folder. Change the name of the new folder to Server and then click OK. And then click Next. Then, switch the maximum disk size to 50.0 and then choose to store virtual disk as a single file and then click Next. Then click Finish. Now you have to wait a bit and click the Edit Virtual Machine setting and choose the CD/DVD in bracket SATA and choose the option Use ISO image file and click Browse. Click the download and choose Windows Server 2016 Data Center. After that, you click OK, and now you have to wait a bit and just keep pressing the enter button on your keyboard until the Windows logo appears on your screen. Now for the language, just pick English, bracket United States, and change the time and currency format to Malaysia. Then click Next and click Install Now. That is all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Umairah Batrisyia. I will explain part 4, setting up your operation system. For step 1, set time zone to Malaysia. For the language to install, you must select is English. Time and current format, you must select Malaysia. Keyboard or input method is US. Now you must click button install. For step 2, show system information. For this step, you have to click window and plus R. After that, you must type msinfo32 and click button OK. So now this is your system information. Next, for step 3, perform this partition. For this step, you must click button window and type this partition. You must click button enter. You have to wait a few minutes, and after that, you must click add unallocate. And click at the right the new simple volume. And you have to click next, next, next again, next, and click button finish. And close. So now you will have a new disk partition. For step 4, change work group to IMD 163. For this step, you must click window and type work group. and enter. After that, you need click button change and change work group to IMD 163. And you must click button OK. You need to wait a few minutes. And click button OK. And OK again. Now you have to click button done and restart later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adawiyah Bt Rohimi. ID number 2024671388. I will continue to explain part 4, setting up your operating system. For step 5, show how to create a user account. First, you need to click Window and then search for Control Panel. After search for Control Panel, click Enter. After that, click User Account and click again User Account and then click Manage Another Account and then click Add a User Account. After that, you can fill the rest of the thing that it needs, like username. Like example, I write here. And then write a password. After that, we enter the password. This will make the password secure. After that, write a password hint and then click Next. After that, click Finish and done with the user account. Step 6, show Windows Update. Firstly, click Windows and then click Setting. Scroll down and open Update and Security and then click Window Update and there click Check for Updates. Wait a moment, and after this we can see the updates for Windows that are available and update history of these Windows. After that, done for part 6. Part 7, show how to share a folder. Firstly, right-click and click New. Choose Folder and rename the folder After rename the folder, right-click again and choose Properties and then click Sharing and then click Share. After that, we need to choose the person you want to share with and then click Add and choose read/write and click Share. After this step finish, we can click Done and done for part 7. Part 8 show how to run Task Manager. Firstly, click Windows and then search for Task Manager. Click Enter and then here we can see the apps that running in the Windows. For example, I open Internet Explorer and then we can see here Internet Explorer apps and we can end the task of Internet Explorer and done for part 8. For part 9, show how to change computer name. Firstly, click Windows and then click Setting and click the System. Scroll down and click About and there click Rename PC. You can rename the PC here with another name. For example, I rename it with my name and PC and then after write the name, click Next. Wait a moment and then click Restart Later and done for part 9.
Hi everyone. So, as a conclusion, we've learned something new from this task. It might be simple, but it's useful and we can apply it in the future. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.